am Saranvel Jayaraman, so brand founder of Dr. EduMed. So EduMed is a medical and aesthetic academy actually. And thanks to dear Annamalai sir and thanks to Arun sir for being a part of today's wonderful event. So we are inaugurating our second aesthetic training center in Tamil Nadu. So one already we started in Coimbatore. Now we are starting this in Chennai. We have lots of surgeons who's going to be associated with us and who's ready to give a training and all this stuff. So we wish and we wanted all the students to come visit here before joining or before taking any other courses. Have a look of the training facility here. Have a look of the missionaries which we have. Even find out who are the faculties, trainers who's going to train all these things. So these all things which you can find out. Then you can take a call on joining a courses here. We have a very short time course and we have a long time courses. We have online courses also. So you can even have a look, come visit our site and visit our place, visit our faculties to get more details and more things. And thanks to everyone.